By what factor did the cost of solar cells change each year? If you get stuck, consider creating a table. Okay, so we have some different strategies for this. Since they suggested a table, why don't we start there and see what we come up with? We know that for some of our t-values, when our t-value is 0, it looks like our value on the graph is up here at 80. So here's our f of t value. That's 80. And at 1 year, it looks like our value is up here at 60. At 2 years, we already know from a previous question that was 45. And at 3 years, now it starts to get a little murky. It's kind of hard to tell like what number it is exactly. I think the first couple are kind of enough to get us started. So we're going to be thinking about how do we get from one number to the next number. So I want 80 times some number. I'll just call it x for now. 80 times some number x is going to get me 60. And I want the same thing to be true for 60. 60 times some number x is going to be equal to 45. And I want to figure out what that value is. So this is a one-step equation. Since x is being multiplied by 80, we must divide both sides by 80. And the 80s will cancel, and we'll get x equals 60 over 80, which we can simplify to 3/4 or 0.75. And now we want to check to see if the same thing happens over here. Let's divide both sides by 60. 60s cancel, and 45 over 60 is also 3/4 or 0.75. And just for fun over here, we can try this. Let's do 60 divided by 80, and we get 0.75, and we'll do 45 divided by 60, and we also get 0.75 there and there. Delete that. There we go. There we go. So this is the factor that they changed by.